You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so this is what I've got going for today. I have both bumperettes on. I also fixed the drip that was back there. Let me show you how real quick. I used this, and I used this, and that, and some water. It's actually water, it's not spick and span. Okay, so this was a rather pronounced drip, so I literally shaved it off bit by bit by bit until it was smooth. I could feel it. Then, using this is what 2500 grit sandpaper wrapped up in this piece of wood here. I polished it up real nice. At least it was more or less even with the rest of the paint job, and then using a buffer and this stuff, I buffed it nice and shiny. By the way, I wet sanded it. That's what the water bottle was for. It's the system I've been using to paint my car. You can see some of the Griot's Garage stuff still left. So this will get a hell of a paint job and another buffing when I'm done. And that is a reflection. That's a reflection of the chrome here. Nice. So here's what I've got going today. This is my backup light, and I want it to hang just like this, maybe a little bit below. And I've hung a license plate surround, so I can get a pretty good gauge of where it's going to be. Right? I don't want it here. I don't want it here, or here, or actually, no, I don't want it there. I want it here, to hang just below the license plate. And so to that end, I can either make a mount that comes off of here and goes down, and I thought about that, and I'm not going to do that because this is not very stout. I'm a little bit concerned actually that when I get going down the highway, whether air will force this up. But I've got stuff. I've got clearance here into the gas tank, so it's about level. Anyway, I'm going to use this. Some leftover angle iron. I'm going to cut a length of about this much. Whoops, this much. What, 8 inches or so, and center it. Actually, yeah, center it on here. Now, let me get under here and show you. There's a lip. Right here. Where? There we go. Right here. And it's a little bit curved, so I may have to do a little bit of surgery to the piece that I cut, so that it curves. We'll see. I've coated everything up in here with a lot of rubberized coating. I'm going to put another layer of it down here before I mount everything, especially after I cut holes, drill holes, to mount this. So like you see here, I'm going to drill holes up and through the piece that I trim up there, and to that I'm going to do something I haven't figured out yet. That's what I do. Yep, haven't figured out yet. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a strip. I'm going to cut this down the seam here, so that I've got this gauge of material, which isn't minor. I'm going to cut a little notch out of here. Let me just draw it. I'm going to cut a notch like this. I'm going to fold it at about right there and cut about right there. Come on, you goddamn thing. Anyway, like that, so that this notch will feed through here. And then once I've got all that, got the angle that I want worked out, I will weld this to the piece I just cut. That's it. That should be pretty easy. There it is. I'm going to hook that in there and then see what length I need. Weld it to the piece. That's that. That's so far about 15 minutes of work. Okay, so this is done. This is how it's going to hang within the lip of the car thing there. I'm going to keep this as it is because it's stiff. I thought about zorching off this this top piece and just using the bottom. I'm not going to do that. Again, I want this to be non-flexible. If it moves a little bit like this, that's okay. But I don't want it to bend in the middle. So this piece will keep it. This top piece will keep it stiff. Again, it's going to hang inside the car like this. Did I just fuck this up? Oh, I think I did. Not necessarily. I did fuck it up, but I can still work with it. Stupid. Oh well. Oh my god. So I did dork it up. This piece is welded on backwards. It should be facing the other way, but you know, it's okay. I can work with it, and the and that light is adjustable. So, Jesus God. So what's next? I need to drill some holes in the car, and then drill some holes in the piece here, and make it adjustable back and forth. So I'll make some larger holes in the in this piece, paint it, and then put it in, and then that's that. And here's how it looks. I haven't mounted it yet, and I did do a little bit of surgery to the underside of the car. I'll need to seal it up with paint and other stuff, but so the license plate thing isn't centered on the light. You can see how it'll look. That bracket will get covered with the license plate, and yeah, I'm not displeased. Not displeased. So I'll need to paint that that mount, and then once it's tacky, I'll actually put it in the car and let it cure as it is. So not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad.